my union and near me any como because huna money. Na ebra na ye koje ball and the alcohol na ehonye den NTC ze ho abi ball and so bread call na check na say big problem e wo no say John say who blame obi a enye den enye yi enye assembly my friend say came fault and enye Zuba fault and enye Asqua force fault fault ni ye nyina which I was say government ni etwe na adwen sisu yi. Say John in the normal waste management no yemrem no e say aban the manage waste Ghana yemra e say aban the manage waste it is aban the manage waste baby a waste will be na aban the fa contractor e hwe no man ye den e manage somewhere 2006 or 7 under Mama Pat and I introduce you program be pay as you down. Ekoye say cost of waste yina ye de ba no. Yen ye waste no. Yen ye do waste na ba no. Yen hwe na say John yes you ntua fee ni kakra. Emu on ye de ba say ne delivery no. Any delivery to the site. Any ne fuel transportation here you know. Yen ma ye nwura no yen ye den yen fa. Na se ekodru site ho na omo manage na abanye tua contractor no eka ena may start pay as you dam ubuza mini akwa amekwachi pay as you dam the whole Ghana me am start first because I start Kumasi so me am start first na no kura na bisro yes we ye ko onzi okoye ball aye be discount here e be 2 assembly to be azu that time ball na gu me electric area almost 13 electric areas be bia hipu yes about baller here can number 40-50 years baller. Eti ni amanfo hu yan say you 2 year na de ade abesio. No mo jiskasa. Ah? Ye de ya ama baller free. Ye various communities na. Yesu ye tua kakra afa akodu the dumping site. E ho na problem no osisi. Problem na nye obi a nye KMA. E na problem na nye assembly. Because ball and baby on management nye assembly ni tua neka. Say you tie me point. Enti yen yetimi am asesa ball na kodru dumping site. The owner one manage no. Aban tua neka for 4 years. Previous government and then the current government. And the previous government it was about 3 years. And currently 1 year become 4 solid years. Kick up. Yen tua neka. Enti say you amino ka say about 630 something workers were lay off. I was there about 2 weeks ago. Obi ani ho a security guy no crowd.
Yes.
Guy no so okay.
Kick up.
Well, so, you be a Eugene Penna that be officer.
Say John,
power so cranny ho.
And no na ma ye use Otino force because Otino Kwame ka say ayama was your close no. But say kick up no say ono yentua ne ka no wa close omo light a omo betwam enti emergency ni edi yusu otiwa ana nipa e wo so ehunu amane omu say John Bola no greater Kumasi nyina ho no de ba o kwa abre for de ba ejoso de ba your friends atwoma kwa homa de ba obia de ball nye Kumasi nko problem enti say John sa issue e me appeal to the regional minister Mr.
Dr. Frank Amwako.
Yes, Dr. Frank Amwako. Any the incoming chairman of NDC. Ishamalas because a presidential staffer. Adiano ko become honorable. Also munyina mukamu na ma pressure by the pressure. So on free papa no no international. At least 2 years be cry. No man the next year no man starting because kick up on ko bet me for about 30,000 tons. Sa greater Kumasi nyina de ball abeba emfa problem nya den emma na ma ya ha no yatimi de latrite aye den agusu nenka hofo no anya asumdwe because honorable regional minister I say we can general assembly ya taxi the mayor and yes you fa ayi so the ato regional minister ayi asama mi ke who say Jones see how you dance ni Ibrahim yami dance ni akohine yami dance ni minia omutwa ko social media am refinidi nana ya nom Ivansa on the ensem you know na munyina yam dance for e ko be 3 months na ma repeat that ball and be escalate a yentimi nya hwe ye blame obi a enye ye because the management of waste no eya aban adwuma baby adu so se etua contractor ne ka se oti won na ye de kono Ibrahim yare bia si ehwo a ebekum bebre se John height kura o se ball ane kono abro so ya se ball no height o senka by now ye the latrite gusu agyan ama eno abe pro sa ne ka tia ye den aba fom na san be land ba ye ka so obi amfi se John we are sitting on a timing bomb
Ibrahim
very
Ibrahim de why
yes meaning so mo ye way serious para o say nyina ye because me adana me me yokre ka say adana ye close your friend is saying otino na fe ball and come ansa na mpanimfo be hu say assemnet because baby e dey concern ye yare ni wo ne ye dey microphone
obeyama ayi
Sajo ye ku otifo no ye ku quote for no
local government minister be yi ayedi
oh you know the assembly are taking decision on obeyende
kroma ayi nyanyi obi obi am file statement after 24 hours
me can say so man we ya I was see close Sajo ade na e ko ball anu so no e dangerous o Sajo e dangerous ko wa no pa ko he Sajo say udu ai quote anopa ball aka ni e no abobo ya no etimi sala ya bedu bost etra
ebini
enye yare kro na na de ma omomo
video no na
entontum e travel far from areas of malaria near dangerous enti e besre honorable minister mayor there ya also ya catch so ya catch ye nim say we pass it through the minister by a train the presidential staffer incoming chairman Isham Alasa
Sinana kwasi mfa no honimo
oh no so de no ja say na kwasi de me boni de anya because they onye government appointee and I'm me wrong I am speaking to the government appointees
okay
maza
ara mo kwa achi ni
oh baby di mi afa mi kuma yi mi o ejuma experience kwa me premier chief mi akoshenchen I am speaking to the government appointees
no
nana kwasi the original chairman nana also tie bi enim guase ba una original chairman bi betimi aka be ka okese okay but I am speaking to the government appointees and I also me campaign
obi mpeso ho
or chief of your friends a council of state oh yes but say no
so ball so ba how
oh ono ka bia omu nyina betimi aka bi true nipa we num na bi besi omo so tin na me board the regional minister and then the incoming chairman the presidential staffer the presidential ba say John Oyedjumo
hoya isha
oh here NDC for no sure o wa bo tre so mo ko alai wa ma regional minister na free.
Oh yeah, that's
when you go there, regional minister office will be anko.
Yeah.
Everybody. And the way obenya time. Say John ya kwame, me dey unkwa me for akwaje me nam anopa. Onam dey me eyi wi nyame da. Even so wetimi are in 3 months in am. Me for akwaje. Eti Say John, yeah, on a serious note, yam ball assembly yam for Say John, momfa mo njim. Yes, remo anopa. Omo
ya ka ball aso ko we nam.
Me say me fa akwaje me nam. Say a year with 2 months now. Your friends, if I say 2 months,
can be a can be. So, yeah,